If you have tension headache or migraine, we have a lymph node located right there. I use my palm like this. I press in like inwards like this, squeeze that lymph node. I can hear some squeezing sound or crunching sound like this, but you will locate the lymph node right there. If this lymph node have expanded, bigger like a balloon, it will block the drainage for your sinuses to your forehead, but also it will put some pressure on your nerves. So try to drain that lymph node. Do both sides, but we also have a lymph node located right there. So we need to drain that also, because if that is swollen like the balloon, then it will drain. The drainage for your sinuses will not be normal, because the expanded lymph node puts some pressure on your nerves, and the normal fluid flow will get blocked. So try that. Open that lymph node and you can see how I get a little bit red, and you will get warmth and maybe some heat, but that's all the fluid flow. So try that. My name is Rune Obbe. I try to teach you to get pain-free.